That flat six howl, Porsche engineering screaming perfection. Porsche picks boxer engines for one brutal advantage: balance. The pistons lie flat, low center of gravity, razor-sharp handling, insane cornering grip. Less vibration, more precision. That means faster lap times and a soundtrack that makes your spine tingle. From air-cooled legends to modern turbo-flat sixes, it's heritage turned performance. Want the deep dive on torquey curves? Chassis tuning. Why racers worship this layout? Smash the link to the full video below and get full throttle details. Subscribe for more car science and epic engine roars.